Can I get a kiss? I love you. What are you doing? Can I get a kiss? I love you. What you doing? What you doing? Huh? Are you a good boy? Huh?
Record it. Don't do it. No, take my phone. Take my phone.
I got it.
Never mind. Don't you do that. Absolutely not. No, you stop talking to me. Excuse me. You stop talking to me like that. You have some respect. That is not okay for a young lady.
Tell her.
You don't speak like that to mommy.
Don't talk to Coca like that.
What's your problem?
Don't talk to Coca like that.
You over here all fluffed up acting like that. You better watch your beat, young lady.
Don't talk to Coca like that.
That is completely not acceptable.
Don't talk to Coca like that.
Excuse me. Lou, downstairs. Who are you fluffing it like that?
And me? Why? I was backing you up. I was trying to help. I was trying to help you. I was trying to help you.
Yeah, tell the puppy you love him.
I love you.
Rio helping me get the groceries today. Like if you want to see people's reaction.
Bedtime. What's that about? Stop it. Give me a kiss. Backside. What are you doing? Shh. What? What?
Remember how I was trying to teach Mango to test the water before taking a bath? Well, this is how it's going so far. Brazilian police just arrested this parrot which was trained by Brazilian drug dealers. The bird was trained to alert criminals if the police arrived by shouting "Mama Police." During interrogation, the bird didn't cooperate with the cops, staying completely silent.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Curse.